Welcome to this demonstration by Imara Software Solutions. Today we'll show you how our automation solution can revolutionize the workflow for website maintenance agents, making their tasks easier and more efficient. In the fast-paced world of website maintenance, agents are responsible for ensuring that websites perform at their best. However, the traditional manual process can be challenging, involving countless steps and time-consuming tasks. Traditionally, agents manually check websites for performance issues and errors, documenting every detail in an Excel sheet. This meticulous work demands time and accuracy. After documenting the issues, the agent must compose detailed emails to inform the client, offering solutions and awaiting their response before taking any further action. Only after the client responds can the agent proceed, often leading to delays and inefficiencies in the workflow. We implemented a solution for one of our clients, a website maintenance agent who faced these very challenges. With our automation solution, the agent can easily gather leads from platforms like Apollo, LinkedIn, and similar sources. The system automatically pulls the client names, emails, and website URLs into an Excel sheet. Our automation system then takes over, working in the background to scan websites, identify errors, and generate tailored recommendations, all without the need for manual intervention. The result? The agent receives a complete ready-to-send email in their Instantly account, containing all the details, a quick review, and with a single click, the email is sent to the client. From a labor-intensive, multi-step process to a streamlined, efficient solution, our automation has transformed how this client handles website maintenance. It's faster, easier, and more effective. If you're a website maintenance agent looking to simplify your workflow and enhance your productivity, Imara Software Solutions is here to help. Contact us today to discover how we can implement a similar automation solution for your business. Imara Software Solutions, empowering your business with smart automation. Get in touch with us now.